Now we're going to go through the distributive property and combining like terms. If you remember from our previous video, to perform the distributive property, we need to multiply the term that's on the outside by every term on the inside. Now in these problems, you'll notice that there are some terms that can actually be combined, so we'll do that as well. So for the first one, we need to multiply 2 times x, which is 2x, and then 2 times positive 5, it's correct, positive 10. Positive 9 times x, correct, positive 9x, and then positive 9 times negative 7, yes, negative 63. Now if you notice, there are some terms that can actually be combined so that we can simplify our expression. So we have 2x and the 9x that can be combined. So 2x and 9x combine to give us, correct, 11x. And then we have positive 10 and negative 63. Those two can be combined to give us a total of, you said negative 53, you are correct. So our complete simplified expression is 11x take away 53. Let's move on to number 2. Let's start again with the distributive property. 3x times 7x is 21x squared. And then 3x times negative 4 is negative 12x. Now let's move on to the negative 8. We have negative 8 times this x is negative 8x. And then negative 8 times the positive 7 gives us negative 56. Now let's look at this to see if there are any terms that we can combine. We have this negative 12x and the negative 8x. Don't forget to always take the sign that's in front of the expression. It's very important. So negative 12 and negative 8 gives us negative 20x. We can't combine the 21x squared and the negative 56 here, so we'll just bring them down. So our final answer is 21x squared, take away 20x, take away 56. Let's move on to number 3. We have negative 5x times 6x squared. What would the coefficient be? Correct, negative 30. And we would have x to the, if you said 3, you're correct. You need to add the 2, the power of 2, and the 1. So that gives us 3. Negative 5x times 4x. That gives us negative 20x squared. Then negative 5x times negative 2 gives us positive 10x. 8 times x squared gives us 8x squared. And 8 times 3 gives us positive 24. Now let's look to see if there's anything we can combine. We have this term here that has x to the power of 3. No other variables have x to the power of 3, so this one will stand alone. This one will be by itself, so we have negative 30x cubed. Now we have negative 20x squared. Here's 8x squared. They both have x squared, so we can combine those. So negative 20x squared and positive 8x squared gives us a total of, yes, negative 12x squared. Then we have 10x and 24. 24 doesn't have x. as a variable, so that can be combined. So these two will stand alone, so we just have plus 10x plus 24. That's our final simplified expression. For more videos, please visit us at www.sandersontestprep.com. The link is in the description below. Thanks.